The man didn't care that his wife was pregnant. He slapped her so hard she fell to the floor. Wanting to protect her child, the woman yanked the clothes out from under his feet, making him lose his balance and fall. But the pain only fueled his rage. He pushed her out of the room and dragged her toward the stairwell. Terrified, she swore she would never speak to the neighbor again. But the man wouldn't listen. He forced her closer to the edge, then suddenly let go. She tumbled down the stairs. She woke up in the hospital and was told she had lost the baby. Overwhelming grief washed over her. She could almost hear her heart breaking. The woman broke down sobbing. She didn't know how long she cried until a thought emerged. Weak and unsteady, she got out of bed and walked to the window. The cold wind bit into her. She thought about ending it all, but at the very last moment, she stopped. Hatred began to replace the despair. Suddenly, she understood. It was never her who deserved to die.